Hi friends, this is Shambhavi. Welcome to Kara Sweet. It's just too yummy to fill your tummy. Before moving on, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe now. Now it's time to get to know how to cook pizza in 3 minutes. Yeah, you heard it right. It's absolutely easy to cook pizza in 3 minutes. For that, you require pizza base, mozzarella cheese, butter, normal cheese and onions, green capsicum, red capsicum, tomato, veg white mushroom cooked, and finally paneer, Szechuan sauce, chili sauce, red chili flakes and oregano. And this completes the ingredients required. Now to start off with, keep all the ingredients ready and now switch on the stove. I've taken 2 pans, iron tawa and a non-stick pan for a thick bottom base so that the pizza wouldn't get burned. Preheat on high flame for 2 minutes. Now grease the pan with butter, either with a silicone brush or directly melt the butter in the pan itself. The greasing of butter is done to the pan so that the pizza wouldn't get burned because of the heat of the stove. Now apply butter onto the pizza base and grease it well in the edges too so that it would be soft and it wouldn't crack because of the heat. Now take chili sauce and Szechuan sauce. Mix both in a cup so that it will make our task simpler, and mix it thoroughly. Now you can apply this on pizza. See to that the side border is left. Now you can lower the flame. Now spread the toppings one by one. Just onions and then green capsicum and now red capsicum. This can be done at home itself. Just keep the green capsicum outside the fridge for 2 to 3 days. It would turn red. And then mushrooms, tomato and paneer. These are the veggies required for pizza toppings and any other of your option. And now you need to grate mozzarella cheese and the normal cheese directly onto the pizza so that the shavings would fall directly onto the pizza base. It's a very easy technique. Once the normal cheese is grated, you can take mozzarella cheese and grate directly on the pizza. This is all. You have done pizza just like any other pizza that you get in peculiar outlets of pizza like Domino's, etc. It's just that easy. Only thing is you need to arrange all the ingredients, keep it ready and start off with it. Now sprinkle it with red chili flakes and oregano, and this completes our pizza preparation. Now it's time to heat it on the pan and the countdown begins now. After keeping pizza on pan, cover it with a glass case or a steel case or any other suitable size of plate. The glass case helps us to see whether the cheese is melting or not, and we can take it at the right time so that the pizza wouldn't get burned. Once the cheese melts and gets thickened, that indicates the pizza is ready and it should be removed. A bonus tip here: let the first pizza be on the stove and see to that the flame is in low-medium mode. Now this is the time, instead of waiting for it to cook, take the next pizza and apply butter and sauce as said earlier and keep it aside. This makes the pizza dough to absorb all the masala and spiciness into it, and it would turn out tastier, and the pizza cooking also would be faster as we would have prepared all in sequence and earlier itself. As these are lockdown days, black olives were pending in my list and couldn't find due to the non-availability, so we just substituted it with veg mushrooms. We already had green capsicums at home, so we just kept it outside the fridge for 2 to 3 days. It turned out red. That is how we have done for pizza cooking too. Red chili flakes can be made at home itself. Do watch my upcoming videos of mom's cooking in Kara Sweet, of various useful and time-saving kitchen hacks. The clock is ticking and a minute is left for pizza to be complete and ready to serve. So as I said, it is damn easy to cook pizza just in 3 minutes. At this time, you get an aroma that the pizza base sides surface is getting heated. So you have a look on that and see to that it is removed at the right time and not allow it to darken up. Keep a plate ready and take out the pizza from the pan and place it on the plate and let it cool down for half a minute or so. It's not necessary that everyone should be having pizza cutting accessory at home, so we made use of a sharp scissor to cut the pizza in shape. This makes the cutting easier even though the cheese is sticky. And our pizza is ready to serve. Do try it and enjoy. And yeah, it keeps up the mark. It's too yummy to fill your tummy. If you found this video unique, helpful and awesome, and for more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.